on how to create AI-generated videos for YouTube. Here's a basic outline you can follow. Title: Creating AI-generated videos for your YouTube channel. Introduction: welcome viewers and explain the growing trend of AI-generated content. Mention the benefits of using AI for video creation, such as saving time and adding a unique touch to your channel. Step 1. Choosing an AI video generation tool. Research and list a few popular AI video generation tools available. Discuss the features of each tool, such as text-to-speech, video style options, and customization capabilities. Select a tool that suits your content and audience. Step 2. Gathering content and script. Decide on the topic of your video and create a script that outlines the narration and scenes. Collect images, videos, and relevant assets that you want to include in the video. Keep in mind that the AI tool will need clear instructions from your script to generate the visuals. Step 3. Using the AI tool. Walk through the process of inputting your script into the chosen AI video generation tool. Explain how to select the appropriate style and settings for the video. Emphasize the importance of reviewing and adjusting the AI-generated content to align with your vision. Step 4. Editing and enhancing. After generating the initial video, discuss the editing process. Mention using video editing software to fine-tune the visuals, add transitions, and ensure a